In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Gyroscope in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. And here, go ahead and click on Settings, which you'll find at the top right corner of your screen. Now go ahead and click on Controls. And here, go ahead and sift through the sections under the Controls section. So since the Gyroscope settings is not in the interface settings, go ahead and check on the gameplay settings. Click on gameplay to be able to view the gameplay settings. And on the gameplay settings, go ahead and scroll down to be able to view all of the settings under this setting. Once you find Gyroscope in this section, go ahead and click on Gyroscope settings to head over to the Gyroscope settings. Now go ahead and turn on Gyroscope in this area. Now you can customize further your Gyroscope settings once you explore the section under it, such as the reverse axis, ADS gyro, movement gyro. So ADS gyro is using the gyroscope while aiming down sights, and the movement gyro is using the gyroscope for movements. You can also customize the sensitivity of your gyroscope. And that's how you can simply enable Gyroscope in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.